Hey everybody, Elliot Cribbs with MarineMax down in Savannah, Georgia. This is a brand new Scout 175 Sportfish that we just got in. It's powered by a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. So at the back of the boat, you see the ladder platform, easy access to get in and out of the boat when it's in the water. So in the aft of the boat, there are 2 seats in the back, and both these seats have storage underneath, as you can see. Reversible chair on the leaning post, so you can flip this forward and look out the back of the boat. Give you a look at the console, your electronic gauges, your switch panel, storage locker, and the mechanical throttle. You can take a look at the storage. Ample room for storage in the console. This boat comes with 2 courtesy lights on either side of the console, light up the boat when it's nighttime. Give you a nice cooler seat in front of the console, and then storage lockers in the front of the boat, and your anchor locker right here. All the cleats are the recessed cleats. Pull up when you don't want to use them, push them down. Hull color is Scout White. If you have any more questions, call us 912-525-0963.